Welcome to another tutorial on number system. So now this time we are basically doing the conversion of octal to decimal. Okay, so what happens in octal? So basically octal is base 8 and decimal is base 10. So let us take a simple example. So we have our master chart. So first let us try to convert octal of 14 into decimal, right? So you already know that octal of 14 is basically 12 in decimal. So how do you do that? So 14 of octal into question mark of decimal. So what do you do here? You write 1 and 4 in spaces, and again this is the number and this is the index, right? Index begins from the LSB. So let me change the pen color. This LSB is index 0, the LSB, the second is 1, and so on. So what is the converted number? Is 4 into basically the number 8 to the power of 0, and then 1 into 8 to the power of 1, right? You already did this during binary to decimal, right? So 2 raised to, right? Since the number is in octal, we multiply by 8. If the number is decimal, we multiply by 10, right? So what is this? 1 into 8 raised to 1 is 8, and plus, now you just plus this, 4 into 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 0 is 1, so 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So 14 of the base 8 is equal to 12 of base 10, which basically we can see from the figure also. Another example, so now let us try to take octal 17, right? 17 of octal into binary. So 17 of base 8 into question mark of base 10. So let me just change the pen color. So what happens here? I just write 17. Fine. So let us now actually convert 127. Some difficult example, right? So I will write index here. For index, let me use a different pen color. This is index 0, this is index 1, and this is index 2. So you just start from here. So this basically comes out to 7 into 8 raised to 0, because we are dealing with octal system. 2 into 8 raised to, you bring the index down, and then this is 1 into 8 raised to 2. So 8 raised to 2 is 64, plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 is 16, plus 8 raised to 0 is 1, plus 7. So 64 plus 16 is 80, and this becomes 87 to the base of 10. Right? So 127 to the base of 8 makes it equivalent to 87 to the base of 10. So I hope this is clear. So this is octal to decimal conversion.